Hello, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are talking about do-it-yourself solar power system for your homes. How do I mean? You need to know that you can actually run a mini installation in your house, either by yourself or by your house help, helping you to achieve all these things. As you can see our team here, I just measured the places I want to position my solar system and its components. What are those components? The inverter, the charge controller, the batteries, and also the changeover switch. Now I have measured the places I want it to be, and I used my drilling machine to ensure that I penetrate the wall properly. Then I fixed my peg. Fixing the peg will help you tighten the system very fast. And when the peg is there, you can see how I fix my peg. You position your peg, tap in little by little with your hammer, and it will enter inside. Now you take up the system you want to fasten, which is the inverter system. This is the inverter system now. I am positioning it.
Inverter. When you connect it, you bring it down like this. I'm going to position it at the right place.
So after positioning it, you tighten the inverter. It is at the right place now. So I'm tightening it the way it should be, and it will be held firmly with the two pegs. Then I will drill again from the charge controller. You see the penetration of the wall, because I'm using drilling machine, becomes so easy for me. I will now fix in my charge controller. This is my charge controller. This charge controller is actually MPPT. After putting my peg, I will screw it to the wall also. Remember the height I choose. I ensure that they are plumbed and they are in straight line. So this is how I do it, and I was able to get my results. So when you are doing this, you should make sure that it is tight before you can now run your cable connections to all the system involved. So this is the way it is being done. Then you have to connect your load wire. This thing you see is actually my knife changeover switch. Here we call it knife changeover switch, but it is a changeover that you use to select. Perhaps you want to power it with external force,
You can now pause.
like your NEPA or PHCN, as we all know in Nigeria. But here,
Hello, like I said, when you want to set up the system, first you can see the steps I take in measuring the spaces they can occupy, then identifying the components to be used. Like this is inverter, and this is 2.2 kilowatts. This is exactly 2.2 kilowatts hybrid system. So when you position it like this, the next thing you consider, because we have an alternative for the charging system. Like I told you, it was complained that the internal charge controller of the inverter is not working, so we decided to bring an external one. As you can see, this is the same MPPT charge controller, and once this is positioned, we are trying to make it function independent of this. So there is also a strategy of what I'm going to reveal to you now, that you cannot be charging with this and this. The panel will only have to sense one charge controller, Once it is triggered with this, that means it is charging with this. But if you feed in this, the charging system from the solar will be on this. So when you do that, you now consider the load outlet. So keep watching as you see the job going on.
So
Good.
after
We
your
are done, Abi.
positioning of the solar
The
inverter
connection
and the
is
charge controller, the next
okay.
thing is to run your panel connection. Someone can do it for you or you do it by yourself, but make sure the cable is brought down to the position where your inverter and your charge controller is. By connecting this, you can now trigger your inverter. When I mean trigger, I mean you power it on in order to enable you have power source for your TV, your bulb, your chandelier. As you can look at it, this makes home more comfortable. People can sit down and watch television from morning to night because there is constant power supply. So it makes it comfortable for you.
So this
You can
is
equally
all the
use
sockets are working and
electricity,
all the
electric
bulbs,
bulb.
those ones that have
You
bulb,
can power your
they
socket,
are
and
on.
you can equally use
And see this one.
power your fridge depending on your size. Note this again, that you can do this by yourself without
This
inviting
is
any
it. I have a lot of them here,
anybody
so
to do it. Only watch this video and take the steps
we just completed the job now, so we'll
apply
be
them
leaving
according
shortly.
to the rules that I mentioned. Then you see yourself doing this particular job. This is actually an installer's channels where you can learn everything concerning solar installation. And when your light is powered, you can use it to see, you can use it to read, you can use it for anything. Thank you for watching.